5:10, the heat is going away, feeling more productive. That's good. Actually, yeah, my session didn't felt so productive. For some reason, I really was so hungry then in between. I'm gonna change that by eating some cucumber, I guess. 38 degrees? Oh shit, yeah, okay, that's actually not easy. That's really hard, you know? Cucumber salad, yeah, that's the plan. Do you guys like cucumber salad? Do you do it often? Is it like on your list or is it not on your list? I think it's good. Yeah, but to be honest, it also doesn't feel like too much food, you know? Yeah, that object you're using is very useful, better than a knife. Yeah, because the slices are very thin, you know? Like, and for a cucumber salad, like usually I use a knife for cucumbers, but then like for a cucumber salad I do it like this because then the slices are just nicer, you know. Next week will be hell all around Southwest Europe. Yeah, I also heard that. Yeah, but we are now living in the moment right now, you know. Hey guys, do you know what I saw? Maybe you saw, maybe you don't saw, like during the session I also kind of jumped, but more in a surprise and not in a scared feeling, because I saw on the reflection on the other roof, you know, you guys can't see it because it's too bright for my camera, but I saw on the reflection on the other roof a shadow of someone walking, you know. That means, because I only saw the shadow on the other roof, that someone must be walking because the sun came from there, that someone is walking on my roof, and that means I can enter the roof. There's a food you don't enjoy so much. I feel like so far what I have ate my whole life and tasted of food is great. There's nothing that I dislike, not even a bit. Yeah, when I was young I didn't like tomatoes so much, but that changed, so therefore I think every food is actually kind of nice. I didn't, like, for example, like really nasty food. From my perspective, nasty food is chips. I don't enjoy chips so much. Not that I don't like the taste, it's also that I just don't want to have nasty fingers, you know? Someone is walking on your head. Yeah, for real, for real. Okay, it looked actually, that's the reason I was like so surprised. You know, a shadow sometimes looks, because of the angle and all the stuff, it looks like the person is really big, and it looked like a giant was walking on my roof, but yeah, it was not, you know. I can't do snails. I think you call them escargots or something. Yeah, okay, but okay, true. Not that I have actually never tasted that, but I'm also not a big fan of like eating snails. Like the whole idea is just, it looks like not food that I would love to eat, you know. Okay. It's over. This is the cucumber. And now, 3 minutes left to do the sauce. How is the sauce made? I take just this for the taste, the garlic, cut it into very tiny pieces. Can't get tinier than that, unluckily. You know, it would be nice to have like this thing, you know. Garlic and cucumber, interesting. Yeah, it's for the sauce. Then, this is important, the milk. To them goods, you know, yogurt in there. Let's go. Then a little bit of oil. By the way, not a good oil, but yeah, I don't have anything else here. Then pepper. Yo to them goods. This is a cooking stream. You mean dressing? Ah, yeah, true. Dressing. Dressing is the right word. A lot of pepper. Can't be enough, actually. What would be nice now is like tofu would be nice, but obviously I'm unprepared and I didn't bought tofu. And a little bit of salt. Do you know what? Frick the salt, you know. I'm gonna do some spice in there, you know. This. And now, what do I have here? Oh, I had small garlic pieces. Ah, shit. No. Okay, now the spoons. Mix. Okay, now boop. Then the mixing, them things. Okay. Yeah, that's my food. Now let's go. Mix them things. I usually make with vinegar base, not yogurt. Yeah, I do with a normal salad sauce. I also do differently, like vinegar, apple vinegar, for example, and oil. But here with cucumbers, I think like a yogurt sauce. It's kind of nice. Okay, looks so good. Can I have some? Yeah, here. It actually doesn't look too amazing. It looks like I don't know. But it is what it is. I did it in a few minutes to have some food, you know. Loud sounds, the worst. Does it taste good? Yeah, it tastes good.